Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. I wanted to update you guys on my AI position, the swing trade that I'm looking at getting out. Not soon, but at 111, how I told you guys, currently up almost 5%. We are at $446 profit. I think I'm actually starting to look into long-term strategies for my swing trades. So I'm starting to really look into. There's a lot of new companies that I like to invest in, but I don't want to get out of my RKT position. So I do think that from now on, instead of withdrawing money, I will be focusing on long-term investment with these companies. So for example, my main focus is basically investing, $10,000 would be like, for example, this AI is going to be my very first company. I am looking at investing, like I said, the 10K. The initial $10,000, once it goes up 10-20%, because initially I'll do my TA, and if I do think that a certain company is low enough or it's going to go up 10-20% to give me back my initial return, I think that's going to be the long-term focus, right? So for the most part, like this AI, for example, I will be cashing out I think 90 shares, and I will be leaving 25 shares, which is about $2,000. And I think that's going to be my new focus. So instead of swing trading and, taking out a $2,000 profit, essentially what I'm going to be doing is investing 10K, waiting for it to go up to like $12,000, take my initial investment out and leave those $2,000 or those shares that are left within that stock to basically grow long term. And I'm going to start doing this for the rest of my portfolio. So you'll probably see me start doing a lot of swing trading on AI, Bumble, Alliance, Funko Pop, Roblox. So a lot of the new companies that are starting to IPO, I want to get into all of them, especially the ones that I really like. And I think that's going to be my new strategy right now to at least hold long term, I think, and to kind of build equity that way, So I think for now, I don't know if I'm not going to be taking profits anymore. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm investing a certain amount of money into a stock that I like. As long as it rallies 10-20%, I'm going to take out my original investment and leave that profit in there for like ever. And I think that's going to be the new focus of growing this at least this Robinhood account, growing it long term, because I'm basically going to pass this Robinhood account back down to my daughter. She's, as some of you guys know, I just had a daughter. She's 4 months now, so I figured what's the best case to to at least leave her something, right? So I think that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm basically going to be swing trading from now on, and once these swing trades actually like hit that 20% mark that I'm looking for, I'm taking out my initial investment and leaving basically everything else in here as like a long-term growth thing for all these new companies that are coming out. So just updating you guys on AI swing trade, currently up 4.5%, about $450. This is going to be the very first play in this long-term strategy, basically, which is me leaving my portfolio to my daughter, right? I'm still going to be doing other trades and stuff, but for the most part, I will start making videos on me swing trading certain stocks that I like to keep long term, and hopefully there's like I have like 100 different positions with each of them having like $2,000 in it. So that's kind of where we're at right now. I'll see you guys later. Have a good weekend. I'll make a video probably a little bit later on something else, but currently on the treadmill, so I'll see you guys in a bit.